yes. Sun's gone past the yard arm. I'm Baron Borchester, and it's time for another fable from Fartwell Manor. Yes. Well, what have we got for you today? Bit of a problem. We're going to have a party tonight. We're scheduled to have our New Year's Eve party. New Year's Eve. Bit of a problem. Bill the butler has broken all the glasses, so we haven't got any glasses for the guests to drink out of. You see, you know, I had it. He was trying to wash them all up and everything, and what I did, I thought I'd dry them out and I put them in the tumble dryer. So that's all. So that's his. You know, he's broken all the glasses. So what to do? So they said, "Come on, Baron, you've got to come up with a solution." So I asked my old noggin. I said, "Come on, noggin, let's see if we can sort this one out." Then sort this one out. So brilliant idea. Now, Lord and Lady Fartwell, they do like drinking a lot of the old wine over Christmas. You see, so I had an idea. You see, I could get one of the old wine bottles. You see, now by the way, don't buy any of this wine, okay? Because otherwise the price might go up. So don't buy this stuff when you see it in the supermarket. Right. So get yourself a bottle like this, and then cheers everybody, and you have a bit of pink gin. Have a bit of get some bit of pink gin down the road. Right, let's get that out of the way. Get the gin out of the way. Right, now, you get yourself a bottle, and what we're going to do, we're going to cut the top off the bottle. Cut the top of the bottle off. That's what we're going to do. So cut the top of the bottle off, and what we're going to do, I had a look around. We've got Ben the Builder, Bend Over the Builder, is working here at the moment over Christmas. Well, he's not here at Christmas, but he's left his tools here, you see. And I found one of these. He's left one of these bad boys around. So get yourself one of these bad boys. I think it's got a diamond disc in that, you see. Get yourself that. And what you do then, a bit noisy, is make sure you get lots of health and safety stuff, like gloves and glasses and also this, make sure it's got a safety stuff. Well, this one that doesn't look very safe whatsoever, so don't use this one. And so I'm going to show you how to cut the top off a bottle, okay? So I'm going to get the camera in a bit closer so you can have a look at this. So get your bottle, like that, and basically what I do is put some masking tape around where you want to cut it, but I'm just going to cut it around the label, the line of the label, that's it. And you get your cutter, it's going to be a bit noisy, so stand by. And there you have it, you see. You've got your glass. You've got a glass for the party. And you've also got a funnel. You've got a funnel there, you see. You can give that funnel to your guests. They'd be chuffed to bits with her. So that's what you do. So hang on, I'll move the camera back out a bit. So there we have it. The glass, the new glass that you can drink it. Obviously, what you have to do is sand this off as well. You can get a grinder attachment for this, and you need to go around and cut off the sharp edges, and also do the same with the funnel. And then see, the other thing is, what you can do. The other thing is, a party. If you're having a party, and I think it's going to be a masked ball, either a masked ball they're having, or is it going to be a masked horse? I don't know, but probably a goat knowing Lady Fartwell. So you can just get your pink gin and you can put the funnel in your mouth, and you can just pour it in, see. And there you go. See, so that's why they like the old funnel. So cheers everybody, and happy New Year, and toodaloo for now. And I think the moral of that story is, don't dry your glasses in the tumble dryer. So have a happy New Year, and toodaloo for now. Cheers.